Right, I think it's recording. I don't know. Let's get a little footage on the birds. So I've got a YouTube channel. Make use of the birds. This is at the bus station, and this is a place that's called Aberdare. Let's get a little close up of them all. Yeah, I've got a YouTube channel. I film birds whenever I go. Let's get a bit lower. I'll show you in a minute. Just while I wait for buses. Hello, you. Look, everywhere. It looks like it's going to turn out sunny and hot today. When they said it was going to be rain, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Look at you, all munching your